Guys, it's Legs here. Welcome to another video. Today we're going to be taking a look at this breadboard that I purchased off gearbest.com. It's really helpful and I use it with my Arduino. Alright, so the breadboard is relatively big. It's almost the perfect size for a lot of projects. Each individual socket fits very well and the quality is phenomenal. As you can see in the back, this stuff is covered up and you can peel it off if you want to look at the circuits running through the back of the breadboard. It's well organized, and each individual socket or each individual amount of circuits here are 5 by 2, and there's 4 or 5 of these, and then there's plenty of space here to do a lot of things. As you can see, the individual gadgets do fit in perfectly, and I don't have any problem with that. It's easily to connect and easily to navigate where the wires are, and I'm pretty content with it. The quality is relatively good, the breadboard is sturdy, and I'm incredibly content with how that turns out. Shipping, it didn't take long to ship, especially since I ordered it with a bunch of other Arduino components. It only took about 1 month, so that was relatively fast considering it's being shipped from China and that the shipping is free. Overall, I do suggest buying this breadboard if you need it for your Arduino projects or Raspberry Pi projects, or just simply any other projects that need to connect circuits together. Anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys later.